Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I got Scofflaw Central Perk Couch and Moyra Stamping Plate 11 Damask Drapery. Yes, we're doing some stamping. I've got on Baby Girl Lacquer Glitter Be Gone, and here is Scofflaw Central Perk Couch. I just got this one in from my last polish pickup haul, and here we go. Now this is like one of those pretty ugly colors with a bunch of glitter and shimmer in it. This polish is not for everyone, but I have to tell you, I think they're bang on with coming up with a Central Perk couch polish. I thought it was just awesome. And here we go with our second coat. Now, I can tell you this one is a glitter monster. You'll hear some more about it here in a little bit. I'm going to cap my free edge real quick. I'm using the American Classics Jealous, trying to fill this one in some. So I do a fairly good coat of it, and then I'm going to top it with Poshe top coat. And then I let it dry down and let it do its thing, and was going to stamp on it the next day. But by then, it had done gotten bumpy again. See, it looks pretty smooth here because I took my picture right after my manicure. So here we go with the Moyra Stamping Plate 11 Damask Drapery. I got my H. La Corsadora scraper and my Maniology cube stamper. And bases loaded lacquer shutout. And I'm just going to use this image right here. And I have to tell you, when I got done, I was like, oh, my mani looks like a beautiful quilt. I was really pleased with it. So I don't know if you can tell how bumpy that polish got, but it is still quite bumpy and lumpy. But I knew I was going to be doing the smudge-free top coat and then another coat of regular top coat, fast drying top coat. So that's what we did. I am going to plop out another one and get it on the next nail, the middle fingernail. There we go. Plop that image on. Now I don't line these up very good. You guys, I don't have the patience for trying to be perfect. I just wanted this image on my nails the best I could get it. So there we go. We're going to scrape, and roll and pick it up, and roll and put it down. Okay, now I've got extra polish on my scraper, so after cleaning the plate, I just used the polish off the scraper and filled that image in and scraped it, and ta-da! There we go. All right, I'm going to clean this plate with pure acetone. Wipe it with a paper towel. And then I'm going to hop in with a piece of tape and get some of this polish up off of my skin around my fingernail. And it's coming up pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. That's actually really good. Clean, clean, clean. Now we're going to break out our cleanup brush and just finish this cleanup process. Get back by that cuticle. Oh, gotta check underneath. There we go. Alright, I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And once that is completely dry, I'll be topping it again with my Poshe fast-drying top coat. Going a little, well, now I'm just kind of normal thick. And there we go. Gotta cap my free edge. There we go. Come on, get that side too. There we go. And here is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.